Okay, so let's go ahead and now that you've learned what OneNote is and how to use it, let's talk about your assignment so that I can test your knowledge on it. And it'll give you some experience on how to use OneNote. So essentially, I need you to get into Teams in Office 365, and I need you to go to Assignments. Okay, so go into Teams and click on Assignments. When you are in Assignments, you should see an assignment labeled OneNote. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, so I'll say those again. Go into Teams, click on Assignments, find the assignment labeled OneNote, and click on it. In there, you will see when this is due. Okay, you will see how many points it's worth. You'll see when this closes, which means that, after that date, you won't be able to turn in this assignment. And it also goes ahead and it gives you basic instructions, and there is a document. Click on that document. When you click on that document, instructions will pull up, okay? So you will not be able to write on this document. This document is just going to give you instructions on how to complete today's assignment. So for today's assignment, you are going to set up a OneNote for all of your classes, and you have to follow these guidelines. First, it has to contain a section for all 7 of your classes. Okay, if you have a modified schedule, which means you have less than 7 classes, then you need a section for all 5 of your classes. Okay, but most of you should have 7 classes. The next thing you need to follow is each section must be labeled with the class name and the teacher's last name. And please make sure that you put a comma between the class name and the teacher's last name, okay? The next guideline is that your classes need to be in order from periods 1 through 7. Okay, it should not be 2, 6, 3, 5, 7, 1. Okay, it should be in order from 1 to 7. Okay, the next guideline is that each section needs to have at least 1 page, and that page must be labeled. You can label that page whatever you want since you know what you are doing in each of your classes. Okay. The next guideline is that each page needs to have notes written in each one, okay? So you are going to make 7 sections, and you will have at least 7 pages, 1 page for each section. Each one of those pages now needs to have notes written in it. Now, these notes are up to you. They can be on the following. They can be what you've learned so far, important information about the class, such as class hours, when you meet, your teacher's email address. It could be about notes that you are actually taking in class, okay? Because this should be useful to you, because I want you to use this notebook, okay? Once you are done with that, you now need to go ahead and share it with me, okay? I need to be able to see your work. So you are going to go ahead and share your OneNote with me by doing the following. You are going to click the share button, and you are going to copy the link, and you are going to send the link to me in a Word document. Okay? You need to label that Word document OneNote, and it must have your name, period, and date as the header in your Word document. Okay? You are then going to turn this Word document into Teams under Assignments and in the OneNote assignment. Okay? All of these instructions are on the sheet on the document that I have put in your OneNote assignment. Please read them. Please use this as a checklist for you when you complete this assignment. Okay? If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask me in the chat section of our Zoom meeting, or you can go ahead and talk to me directly in the Zoom meeting. If we are not in class, you can go ahead and send me an email, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Good luck on your assignment, guys, and I will see you soon.